Hello ladies, I hope you all are doing fine. Today we are going to make a DIY BTS frame with zero budget. That sounds great, right? So let's start. I have bought these BTS Polaroids from the Ross app and I really don't know what to do with it. And then my mom suggested me to make a DIY BTS frame and I thought it's a good idea. So let's do it. Here I have an old piece of cloth and a board of cord that I also found in my storeroom. And here we are going to stick the cloth on the cardboard with the help of glue, or you can do it with the common pencil. I have a lot of glasses of about 12 to 11 years old. Now I am gonna find any one that will look good on board and stick on it. I think it's gonna be difficult to choose any one that will look good on it. I found these 3 shades of purple because it resembles the BTS and ARMY version, but it's not looking good on brown. So I have to choose another one and that's what I found. It's kind of looking pretty on it. So let's go with this one. I found a remaining piece of my frock and I'm gonna cut these flowers. The previous one I found was not long enough for the whole board, so I decided to find another, and that's what I found. I hope it will look good. It's almost done. So now we are going to stick the flowers on the board with the help of glue. Oh, that's how it's looking without the pictures. I hope it will turn good. That's the final look. Oh my god, it's looking so pretty, I think. Now it's hang on the wall. Thank you so much, pretties, for watching this video. I hope you like it. Please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Love you.